Yeah, hello, yeah. So I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm the founder of Frando Tech Company. Yeah. So today I want to flip 10 USDT to $100 within a day. Yeah. So just have to follow me, and I'll be using a AI bot, the bot that is doing magic in the arbitrage journey. So if you want to be profitable arbitrage trader, I recommend this boat for you. And if you need the boat, I have my link in the description. Just chat me, and the boat is just $40. Yeah, so it's not forced though. Yeah, but if you need it, it's $40. Yeah. So as I've already told you that there are basic things that you have to look at before you initiate a trade. Don't just wake up and say that, oh, I want to initiate a trade because I've seen opportunity from here to here. No, we have certain things that you have to look at. So that's what we call basic stages. Yeah, that you have to look at. And if everything is perfect, then you initiate a trade. Yeah, some people rush when they see opportunities and they will end up making losses. That is why I say that you need a mentor so that the person will guide you and lead you for you to become profitable trader. Yeah. So when I opened the boat gave me a coin, and I will not show the coin. The coin is over here, but I will not show the coins here. Yeah, the coins. So the boat will show you the coins, and it will show you where you will buy it and where you will sell it. So to show you where you the price that you buy it and the price that you will sell it over here. Yeah. So and it will give you the coins over here too. I will not show the coins. No. Yeah. So today I'll be using RDNT. So the RDNT I'll buy it from Bybit at the rate of 0.0254, and I'll sell it on ATX at a rate of 0.0341. So before I will initiate this trade, I have to consider these basic steps, these three factors. So if I consider these factors and I see that okay, it's cool, then I will initiate the trade. I said if you see this opportunity, there are some certain things that you have to look at before. Don't just initiate the trade, or you will end up losing money, or even end up not any profit. So you have to what after the AI give you the where to buy and where to sell, the coins that you have to trade with, then you consider the three basic steps that I teach in my mentorship. Yeah, so if you consider and it's correct and everything is cool, then you initiate the trade. Yeah, so this today you'll be trading RDNT. So you're buying it from Bybit and you'll be selling it on ATX. So first of all, I will check the three basic things, and that one I will not do it over here. No, I don't do it over here. But I have a good news for you. So from tomorrow going, I'll be doing a live, a live session on my other YouTube channel, and I will leave the YouTube link in the description. The live session, I will be teaching everything. So just do what and join my live session. So I will leave the YouTube link in the description as well. Yeah. So right now I have the coin that I have to buy it on Bybit and where I have to sell it. So I'll close it and I'll go to Bybit and ATX. So first of all, I have to open Bybit. Yeah. So I have to open Bybit. I have to even update this app. Yeah, I have to update it, but I'll update it later. So I'll enter RDNT. So when I enter RDNT, right now over here, the price of RDNT is 0.02544. Then I will go straight and open my ATX. And over here, the ATX tool, I'll search for RDNT. So I'll search for RDNT over here too. Then I'll enter it. So over here too is 0.0340. So it means that the both was correct. But before you initiate a trade, please consider the three factors before. Don't just jump straight and do it, or you end up losing money. We even have a way of like buying an inno coins instead of them. We have new way of doing that. Yeah, so don't just say, oh, it's opportunity, so I'm buying this, I'm selling this. No. You end up losing money, bro. I'm telling you the truth. So over here, the market cap, the market volume for RDNT is 55.4 million for 24 hours. For 24 hours, yeah. So Bybit over here too. The rate of Bybit over here is 0.02544. You see? Yeah. So all you have to do is for just buy it from here and you sell it over there. So if I'm buying 100 USDT, before you do your trade, I say I've already told you that consider the three factors, and those who are under my mentorship or those who have passed out from my mentorship, they know it, and that's why they are making money. Yeah. So if I'm buying it on the Bybit RDNT, if I'm spending 100 USD, I'll be getting 3,930.81. So if I come here and come to sell over here and enter 3,930, 3,930, I'm getting $33 profit on this thing. So imagine if I buy it from Bybit and I'm here to sell it, I'm earning $33 per trade. So $33 times, let's say 10 times, you're making $330. You're making $330. $330 just for your profit. But you have to consider the three factors very carefully, or you end up not any profit or not getting any profit or even running at a loss. That is why I'm saying that I can show you some coins that you can't even trade, but I will trade in any profit. But if I give the coins to you, if you trade, you will not make any profits. You will not even know how to send it using the address. I'm telling the fact. That is why normally people say that, so we have buy your mentorship. Why are you showing people coins for free? I can show you a coin for free and you can't even trade with that coin unless you know the three factors, or you end up not getting anything. I'm telling the truth. So I always see comments like, yo, I tried to trade with your coins and I aim just $1, and I think because you don't know anything. Knowledge is power. Just find someone to put it through. If you want to rely on these free videos, you will not end up being a good profitable trader. I'm telling the truth, because there's certain things that I will not say in my videos. That one I already told you that there are certain things I will never say in my videos. I will never say in my videos. Yeah, because people have paid $100 for me to mentor them, and I'll be saying it for free to you. No, I don't do that. Yeah. So if I'm selling it over here, I'm earning $33 as profit. So imagine if I have time full day and I want to trade 20 times a day. Only if I have the strength to trade 20 times a day, I'm making more than $360 as profit. I'm making $660 as profit. You see that then? Yeah. So these are ways to flip small coins to higher coins, and And I always tell you that you can see the coins, but you can't trade the coins. One principle. I can show you coins that you see that, oh, it's not working. But meanwhile, I can trade the coins and it will work for me. Yeah. So this how you will notice opportunity. Then you apply the three factors. Then you are good to go to make your money. And the boat to if you need the boat, just chat me in the description. I will give you the boat. The boat is going out for $40, but God willing, next month is going for $50. Yeah, because the higher the demand, the higher the odds. If you know it, complete it. Yeah. So the boat next month is going $50. Yeah. So if you buy the boat, you do the subscription for you, then you'll be using it forever. Yeah. So the boat will give you where to buy the coins, where to sell the coins, and it will give you additional 72 exchanges that you can use it for your crypto arbitrage. That's the side thing. It will give you 72 exchanges for free that you can download and verify to use it on your arbitrage journey. Yeah. So this way of flipping small coins to higher coin with the boats. The bot has really made things easy. Like it has really made things easy without any stress. Only if you know what you are doing, the bot will support you for you to make everything easy for you. Yeah, so thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord, as you always know. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow me, and let's cash out more. So please follow my next YouTube channel. Yeah, and we'll be going live from tomorrow going. Yeah, so that we'll be doing everything from scratch. I'll be starting from scratch to build accounts. So join me and let's build an account together. I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out.